Welcome back to Try This DIY. In today's video, I want to show you how to set up your Bestway above ground pool. As you can tell, my area has already been leveled. I've already put the tarp out and the cardboard. I have another video and I'll link that in the description on how to set all of that stuff up. But today, I want to show you guys how we're going to set up this pool. After you've laid your pool out, then you can grab your horizontal posts and begin sliding them in the compartments at the top of the pool. After you have placed all of your horizontal poles in there, then you can go ahead and grab your T-post. This connects both of the horizontal pieces. You might have to pick up on one of the other sides in order for them to kind of finagle in, but it should be pretty easy and they all should go in pretty well. Now that you're starting to sweat a little bit after you've put all of the top ring in, you can go ahead and grab these clips, and these are going to slide in right on top of the T-posts. You can kind of see them right here. Most of them will line up, but you might have to move your horizontal posts around a little bit in order for them to stick in just right. Now you can go ahead and stick these pins in all the T-posts, which is going to help stabilize the entire pool. Next, you're going to want to grab your vertical post or your legs that is going to hold it all together. You're then going to put the base on the bottom, and then you'll go ahead and make sure you stick it through this little strap and then connect it to the T-posts in the top ring. Now you can go ahead and place all of these in the T-post around your pool, and your pool will begin to take shape. Another thing that we did that it doesn't recommend in the instructions, and it's up to you, is we actually placed little pieces of wood underneath the bases on the legs. That way it gave it a little more stability once it hit the sand. This is the step where kids could tell things are happening and they would ask about every 3 minutes how much longer. So if you're a parent, good luck. So the next thing you'll do is take your two smaller clear pipes and you will put these on the two pipes coming out of the pool with the label B. Then you'll take the T connector and connect both of those pipes together. Next, you will take the two longer hoses. One will stick into the A connector, and then the other one will stick into the T connector that you connected the two B pipes with. Next, it's time to plug up the pump. What you're going to do is take the two longer hoses, the one that connects the B labels, you'll go ahead and plug that one into the top, and then the one that goes back into the pool, which is the A label, will be plugged into the bottom. Next, you'll grab your suction fittings. The ones that are similar will go on your B valves. These are actually what's going to help filter the water before they come into the pump. And the other one that looks different will actually go on the A valve. And this one is actually what will push water back into your pool. Next thing, you'll grab these little clips. And what these are going to do is hold the pipes on tight. So you can just go ahead and put all these clips on anywhere that any of these hoses connect to other hoses or hoses connect to anything else. It's just going to, again, hold everything so it's watertight and it won't come off. Again, a little bit closer view of what you're doing here. You're going to take this little clamp, pinch it around there, then the other piece is going to tighten it down. So again, you should have a watertight seal. So again, you want to put these clamps all over where you need them to be, anywhere a hose is connected, because you don't want any water coming out of there. And then you also want to tighten them down, but you don't want to over tight in order not to strip them. So here is what this should look like with everything connected to the pool, and then also all of the clamps on, and also where everything is connected to each other. So you can go ahead and check and make sure yours looks like this. Another thing you'll need to do is put together your ladder in order to get into the pool. I actually have another video on how to set this up, so I'm going to also leave a link for that one in the description. You can check that out for more details. Once you have it leveled and have everything ready, you can go ahead and start putting water in. You want to make sure that there aren't any creases, and you can go ahead and level those out. Also, if the water does pool up in one area a lot, then you want to start over and rebalance everything, because you don't want a lot of water to be in one corner and not in the rest of the pool.
Well, I think our kids approve of the process. They're excited about diving in and having some fun. As always, be safe with the pool. Make sure you keep an eye on anyone in there. Also, if this video was helpful, please let me know that. You can like and subscribe for more helpful videos. You can also check out another video here, and I'll see you over there.